From nature's sweetness to your table, witness the mesmerizing journey of pure perfection.
Hi everyone! Today we are uncovering the secrets behind two breakfast favorites, cane syrup and grapefruit juice.
It starts in the sun-drenched fields where sugarcane reaches peak maturity. Precision blades chop the stalks into uniform billets for processing. Freshness is key, so transport is swift. At the mill, tons of cane are unloaded for immediate processing.
Water jets remove soil and debris, ensuring purity.
Powerful mills crush the fibers to release the sweet, raw juice. The collected juice is rich in natural sucrose.
Controlled heating evaporates water, thickening the juice into syrup.
The result is a rich, amber syrup with perfect consistency.
Now, watch how fast these cans get filled.
Automated fillers ensure every can gets the exact amount. Sealed tight to lock in that fresh flavor.
Ready for distribution across the country.
Next up, the tangy zest of fresh grapefruit juice.
Harvesting is timed perfectly for the best sugar-to-acid ratio. The fruit takes a refreshing bath to remove field dust.
Optical sorters reject any fruit that isn't perfect.
Gentle extraction preserves the essential oils and flavor.
The vibrant pink juice is immediately chilled.
Pulp is adjusted to meet specific texture requirements. Bottles are blown on-site to ensure sterility.
Air conveyors transport them swiftly to the filling room.
Aseptic filling guarantees long shelf life without preservatives.
Sealed, dated, and ready for the world.
Multi-packs are created for consumer convenience. Stored in climate-controlled warehouses to maintain peak freshness. From the factory to your family table.
Even gone through to that place. That's the journey of taste. Thanks for watching.
Simultaneously, the aromatic oil is captured from the zest. Centrifuges spin at high speeds to separate the pure, fragrant oil.
This essence adds the signature top note aroma to the final juice.
Nothing goes to waste. Peels and pulp are repurposed. Dried and pelletized, it becomes high-energy feed for livestock.
Finishers ensure the juice has the perfect smooth texture.
Flash pasteurization guarantees safety, while locking in freshness. In the evaporator, water is gently removed under vacuum. The result is a rich concentrate, ready for global export. Every drop is monitored by advanced systems for consistency. Between batches, the entire system is automatically sterilized.
We even capture the fleeting aroma to add back later.
Blending ensures every bottle tastes exactly the same. Packaging is sterilized to protect the fresh juice without refrigeration. Aseptic technology keeps it fresh for months. Every pack is coated for complete traceability. Concentrates are stored at sub-zero temperatures. Robots manage the logistics with perfect efficiency.
And that is how nature's best reaches your local store. So,
The shredder prepares the fiber for maximum juice extraction. Impurities are spun away, leaving only the pure sweet essence.
Strict quality controls ensure the perfect sweetness level every time.
Hygiene is paramount. Steam sterilization keeps the lines pristine.
The scale of this operation is truly breathtaking.
At a microscopic level, the magic of crystallization begins. Production never stops, ensuring fresh supply around the clock. Removing oxygen preserves the vitamin C and bright color, maintained at chilled temperatures to lock in the zest.
but nothing beats the human palate for the final test.
Smart maintenance systems keep the line running smoothly. We treat and recycle water, returning it clean to nature. Powered by the same sun that ripened the fruit.
It takes a dedicated team to keep things moving.
As the day ends, the cycle of growth continues.
The iconic label is applied, a badge of quality. Accumulation tables ensure continuous flow, even if downstream pauses.
Freshly stocked and ready for your morning.
Yum. A taste that brings smiles to faces young and old.
From our fields to your family, thank you for joining us on this incredible journey.
Impurities and heavy solids are filtered out completely, leaving only the pristine liquid.
Natural enzymes are added to break down pectin and optimize the juice's texture.
Vacuum de-aeration protects the delicate vitamin C from oxidation. We restore the natural fruit bouquet captured during evaporation.
Advanced logic controllers maintain food safety parameters within a fraction of a degree.
Robotic packers handle the product with speed and gentle precision. Autonomous vehicles navigate the facility, optimizing logistics flow.
Our massive distribution center holds the harvest, ready for the world.
Innovation and nature working in perfect harmony.
This is the future of food processing. Pure, sustainable,
The leftover cane fiber, or bagasse, fuels our boilers. Generating green electricity to power the entire facility.
We are 100% energy self-sufficient.
Specialized brushes ensure every pore is scrubbed clean. Rigorous testing guarantees zero harmful bacteria. Heavy drums of concentrate are palletized by robots to prevent injury. Rain or shine, the fleet keeps moving. Precision loading maximizes efficiency for every trip. Each bottle is stamped with a guarantee of freshness.
Our network covers every state, delivering flavor nationwide.
Cardboard cases are erected in a fraction of a second. Sealed securely for the journey ahead. We return water to the environment cleaner than when we found it. Look for it in the refrigerated section.
The perfect companion for a hearty breakfast.
Pure goodness that kids love.
A new day begins, and the harvest continues.
Nature provides the ingredients. We provide the passion.
Subscribe for more amazing manufacturing journeys.
Long before harvest, nature's little helpers ensure a fruitful season.
Smart irrigation systems save water while nourishing the trees. Constant monitoring ensures healthy crops without overuse of pesticides. Preforms are softened by heat before taking their final shape.
Our hygiene standards exceed industry requirements.
Laser coating ensures the expiration date can never be rubbed off. Chemical analysis confirms the exact nutrient profile, bringing our local flavor to markets around the globe. Operating pressures are constantly monitored for safety. Preventative maintenance ensures zero downtime. Production waste is immediately recycled back into the system. Strict security protocols protect the integrity of the supply chain.
We keep samples of every batch for complete accountability.
Deeply rooted in our local community.
Thermal treatment prepares the skin for optimal oil extraction.
Secured for the long haul.
Chefs love its versatility for savory dishes too.
It takes years of care to bring a tree to full production.
Nothing beats the taste of pure dedication.
Good night from the Valley of Flavor.